After a long time, what is your reaction? You have been a fan of cricket and administrator of the cricket.
You see, it's not a question of me.
Yes.
I am confident the entire country must be enjoying happiest moment because of yesterday's performance of our boys. Yesterday's match was an exceptional match, and we have seen lot of new players, youngsters are coming forward and they are showing their nature. So I'd like to congratulate all of them because of their performance. Simultaneously, Mr. Rahul Dravid happened to be the guide of this entire team. And whatever the actions and efforts he has taken has ultimately won this victory. So I'd like to congratulate Rahul Dravid also, and I'm sure our boys will keep same performance in other next coming games.